Hey guys, and the OnePlus 6 is coming really soon. We just got its official announcement date coming on May 16th. 16th, 1/6, OnePlus 6. That's pretty cheeky there. Anyways, the speed you need global launch of the OnePlus 6 will take place in London at 5 p.m. Tickets will go on sale by 27th April. So OnePlus is officially announcing their 6th generation OnePlus phone, and thanks to their teasers, it's going to be the most complete killer phone package they have ever released. Because in the past, there were always a few things missing, which we normally see on other top brand flagships, but this time, they made the 6 killer complete. So as we have talked about this before, it's gonna have the latest specifications, Snapdragon 845 processor with 8GB/6GB RAM configuration, 6.28-inch 1080p AMOLED display with notch plus chin design. Here's the explanation from the CEO himself. We talked about this interview a couple of weeks ago. So pretty much just like other notch Android releases, the chin is here. And only Apple has made the chinless notch design so far. It requires a curved OLED display that curves internally, and that costs a lot of money. So yeah, this is how it is. Good thing that you should be able to hide the notch via software. 3450 mAh will be there, a little bit bigger than the OnePlus 5T. 20 plus 16 megapixel rear camera and 20 megapixel camera on the front, with Android 8.1 Oreo on board. The specs are top-notch, and OnePlus released some more teasers teasing some of the core main features of the phone, and also we got some official camera sample from the CEO himself, confirming all the exciting details officially. First up is this new image of the back of OnePlus 6 that confirms the gloss back. The leaked first look we got from Evan Blass a couple of weeks ago was indeed using a skin on the back, so it's actually a gloss back phone. Gloss bring top-notch premiumness to the table. I mean, aluminum build is nice, but the gloss feels even more premium. Thanks to the gloss back, it will also feature wireless charging, although it's not confirmed yet by any teaser, but it seems like it will definitely support wireless charging. OnePlus 6 will also going to be their first OnePlus phone to be water and dust resistant. It's been confirmed by this teaser that they released on Twitter, so another thing checked that was missing for so many years. Now the main thing that they have marketed heavily is that the speed you need teaser. OnePlus will be having a near stock Android on board, and they have developed a gesture-based system that we have seen in beta form on the OnePlus 5, so it's gonna be there on the OnePlus 6 with their final perfected form. They have probably made the animations really smooth, so it's gonna feel really fast in usage, hence they are calling it the speed you need. I know the gesture part will be focused heavily. Also, we have the first official camera samples coming straight from the CEO himself, and nothing out of ordinary. I mean, these are just some nice outdoor pictures. The leaked specification tells us that the camera resolution is actually the same as the last year's OnePlus 5T. I mean, on paper, it is pretty much the same as the last year's 5T's camera, but who knows, they might have done some underneath optimization. One thing that we know is that the alert slider will allow you to focus the camera. So you should be able to focus the camera, control the focus of the camera using the alert slider. So overall, the OnePlus 6 is the first complete killer phone. I mean, it has got everything going. The gloss back, water resistance. Hopefully, the pricing will remain the same as last year. That's the only thing that concerns me. There are rumors that pricing will get a little bit more expensive, but we'll see about that. May 16th is the day for the OnePlus 6 announcement. Let me know your thoughts about this phone. Are you excited? Make sure to subscribe to the channel for full coverage, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.